Hey yo, what's good, you sons of goody gameplay fans, and welcome back to your boy. And I am your host, the world heavyweight champion of the world, Gordy Gameplay Unboxing. Yes, this is a special unboxing for today. And yesterday, it was a first, this is a Canon EOS Rebel T6 camera. Wow. I can't believe it this. I'm gonna unboxing today, but here's the thing. I went to over a safe grad to over a field trip for camp, and the raining looks very a little, and I really love rain and makes me I respect the nature. But enough of that. Enough further ado. Let's unboxing for this thing.
Cut it out with the power saw.
Oh, you got instruction manuals on how to. Oh yes, this is a half officially content or whatever stuff like that. You got the book. You have instruction manuals how to and for some of what like the for camera looks, and then for chargers and everything like that. And it's some taking stuff in pictures and also recording this. And after that, here we go. And there was another bubble wrap. And here we got the camera holder straps. And we have a charger. Also have another USB charger cable. Always an extra camera lens and very can zoom. And there we go. All right. Let's see if we can take all this camera off. And here we go. Oh my. Look at all this glory. This is the one and only the EOS Rebel T6 camera. And take a look at very first on detail on the looking at it. So we got the over and this Canon logo and some this openness. I'm gonna go. Yes. So we got over. Oh yeah, we're gonna get extra for the lenses that we're gonna go after. And I'll show you for this and for this later. I'm gonna put this separated together and stay tuned for them to put the display together and you have good in for this and stay tuned. Alright, so we're back and I set it up for the Rebel T6, a EOS camera, and as you can see with all the detail, as you see, it looks and it's kind of very nice zoom is and nice. Kind of 55, 35, 24, and we're gonna do I don't know, we'll leave it out. This is MF AF. This is a button. This is for the eject button. And this the one that places goes over the camera holder as it goes over again. I'm gonna put it on to separate this and for that. Okay. Alright. And actually, I'm gonna leave this for that. And yes, this is. Oops. I think I have some handprint. My bad at all, but in time. Okay. Alrighty, so I put the batteries in over that, but over the which is charged and something too. I don't see I don't see the flash and goes there, but I don't see the flash. I don't see it. Nice. Variant button. I don't see any buttons though. Oh well, but this is just a wild looks of the Rebel T6 EOS. It's my first camera, and I will be leaving. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing video. And click the link in the description below. And I am back for my YouTube channel, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video, and leave a comment and happy summer day. Subscribe.